Drop one, pick up one. Of course, this one is smaller. That's quite alright. Let's giddy up. Come on, brother. Whew. Man, that hair. Excuse me. Trying to wait on this rubber tire loader dude to do what he doing so I can skibbity doo through there and onto my trailer. He ain't even paying no fucking attention. Thank you. Yeah, buddy. Air ain't blowing hard enough for me. Slow her down and get her on up here. Giddy up. Track lined up, tracks lined up, tracks lined up, tracks lined up. Here, tracks lined up. Let's see, back a little more. Let's go back right there. Alright, now we gotta get the hammer up under me. Down. Tilt her out. Down, in, tilt, in, down, in, down, down, down. That should be suffice. Should be suffice. Shut her down. Let's get busy, baby. Oh, short man was running this joker. Alright. Yeah. Push him on around like that. Yeah. Easy peasy breezy. Come on, man. Don't spray that shit all over my trailer, bruh. All this out of here. this.
I just dropped that off. Yes, sir.
Here, hook in there.
Bang, bang, bing bong.
Yeah. That ain't gonna hurt it. Just go like that.
Bing bong.
Let's see. It's low enough. Cool beans. Alright. Yeah, that's like that. Cool beans. Alright. Get this. Hey there. Take this. Slide that in. Get all that off. That. Oh, I gotta move that. I don't like it. Okay. Cool. Put him there. Let me climb back up in here real quick so I can move this hammer around. Okay. So what we gonna do is curl, pull up, move over. Now drop it down. Bang. Sit it down. Matter of fact, pull it up, tilt it, go down, like so. Down like so. Tilt it down. Boom. That should be golden right there. That should be golden. Should be golden. I'm gonna clown myself if it's not. Now, let's go over in here and see where we at. Oh yeah, I'm clowning myself. Alright. Alright, man. Tell you what, how about we just do this? Don't try this at home. Raise it up. Now. God dog it. Now we good. Put this down. Down. There we go. Sheesh. Sheesh Louise. Now we good. Yeah. She resting good now. There we go. Now we clear. Wonka wonka. That. Brush all this. That.